In this tutorial, we'll learn how to reload a dataset table built from an external source in Oracle Analytics Cloud. When I build a dataset using an external connection, OAC can store a cached copy of the data to improve performance. Reloading refreshes cached data by rerunning the query against the source system. In this scenario, I'm reviewing a sales dashboard, but the numbers reflect last week's cached data. Since the dataset uses caching, I need to reload the data to see the latest results. Starting from the home page, I'll select the navigator and then Data. I'll locate the dataset that was created from my external connection, in this case from an Oracle Autonomous AI database. I'll right-click the dataset and select Reload Data. The Reload Data tab lists all the tables in my dataset. Only tables set to automatic caching can be reloaded. Some of the tables are set to live, meaning queries run directly against the source each time and don't require reloading. I'll select the table I want to refresh and then Run Now. This reruns the query against my source system and refreshes the cache for the selected table. Oracle Analytics Cloud runs the reload in the background, and I can track it in the History tab. If I don't want to reload manually, I can set up a schedule to refresh the cached table automatically. I'll select the Schedules tab and then New. In the Schedule dialog, I'll select Daily for the repeat option, an end date, and a time. I'll select OK. Now I can see my daily schedule for reloading the sales table in the Sales Acme dataset. I'll select the schedule to review its details, including run history. Now that I've reloaded my dataset table and set a schedule, I can keep my dashboards current without waiting for manual refreshes. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle Analytics Cloud in the links below.